Hello, kids. I am Owl, and today we will talk about routers. These are very interesting devices that help us connect to the internet. Routers are like bridges that connect our devices to the network. We will see how they work and why they are important. Get ready for an adventure in the world of technology. By a big tree, Bee and Frog were talking about a mysterious box that they thought could create the internet in the air by itself. B said that this device probably filtered all the messages, and Frog added that maybe it only kept the most interesting ones. I explained to them that a router actually forwards all incoming and outgoing information, sorting it simply by address, not by content. At the playground, Sparrow and Kitten remembered that a router connects computers, phones, and other devices to the network. They recalled a situation from their home network where Sparrow tried to download a large game while Kitten was browsing websites about online safety. They agreed that the router was distributing data between their devices without slowing anyone down. And I emphasized that this is how a router allows everyone to send and receive information without interruptions. On the meadow, I called over Rat and Guinea Pig to check what they remembered about routers. Rat thought that a router was like a clever conductor, directing where the data should go, and Guinea Pig added that she was learning how important it is to configure the router correctly so everyone can use the network. I praised them for their insightful observations and noted that with such thinking, it is easy to avoid connection problems. Thank you for being with me today. I hope you now know what routers are and how they work. Remember that these are important devices that help us in our daily lives. I wish you a nice day and see you next time.